Hi everyone, I'm Oskar Łoziński, I live in Bochnia, Poland, and today we will touch on a question of sustainable development. What is this? Seemingly easy question, but what is this and how to pursue this aim, how to obtain this? For example, I asked my best friend Kamil what he thinks about sustainable development, and he answered that for him this is taking care of gross domestic product with simultaneous development of society and economic sectors. I suppose that many of us wouldn't ever think about this like him. And this shows us how sustained development is complex. What sustained development means for me? Well, first of all, or maybe the first basics which comes to my mind is about psyche. Humans' psyche and humans' brains of everyone are different. On our brain and our psyche influence a lot of things. For example, our observations, our emotions, our experiences, and a lot of things. These things these headwords we can throw into one bag, which name is development, because all of these things influence who we are, onto who we are and what we know. Sustainable development will be the way we develop ourselves. Daily, most of us or everyone has access to every knowledge of this world. Every discipline in every science is open because we have internet, we have access to internet, and we can just read about this. But why only a few take advantage of this? Why don't we use this knowledge to develop ourselves? Through acquisition of knowledge in many aspects of our life, we widen our spectrum of abilities and as a result also a concept of various things and look at them from another perspective. Another perspective is in daily life very, very important because this and empathy are the best teachers because they influence in the center of our brain, which is responsible for emotions. Scientists proved that, for example, in language learning by visual thinking, we change words into pictures, which during learning are connected with our emotions, with our memories. Because of that, our brain later can easily recall this word because he has much more connections like emotions, like memories, not only just, and like pictures, not only just a word. So why exactly sustainable development? That is why sustained development compared to normal development is faster and more effective. In our brain, a lot of connections are created. We are learning in a lot of fields and we exchange information between them. Development is for me one of the most important processes in our life because it allows us to discover ourselves. So you will ask how to get there. There are a lot of answers for this question, just like for questions what is sustainable development and how do you understand this. Our organism is very, very plastic. If we spread only our blood vessels into line, it would ring our earth 2 times. So what would happen if we could spread our nerve cells, which we have 86 billion in our brain, like this, into line? So today homework for you sons, how we can learn to connect several aspects. For me, sustainable development is a key to human development, and so this is the key to develop the whole world. Thank you for your attention.